Hello there. Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to use mindmup.com. So first, when you go to the website, this will appear. First thing that will appear is a little dialog box that has two choices. It's very simple and clear. As you can see, user friendly. You've got create a new map and open a map. So we are going to pick create a new map because open a map is if you have a previously saved map. So let's pick create a new map. And then you have some options that will appear. These are the three saving options. Public to save it, as in a public online map to share with the world, or private map on Google Drive, or private map on mindmup as in gold, which requires a subscription. So we are going to pick the first choice, which is the public online map on mindmup. So let's select it, and this is what's going to appear. This is going to be your workspace. So this is the first node, and here on the right side, we can see the tools right here, and we will take a look at them. Let's see, I don't think it's appeared. Yeah, right here, you can see them now. So these are the tools. Let's press at the hotkeys. You can press the hotkeys, which give you plenty of, let's see right here, this window appears. You see, it gives you plenty of tips and features and news, handy tips, features, and news. So whenever they add features, as you can see here, or anything, new, you can find it on there on, blogs, mindmup.com. Some very useful things: navigation and screen, STRL and Z, which is zoom in, STRL or shift, Z, zoom out, and many other features. So that's that. Let's close it, go back here. Now let's start working on the map. You can press the space bar to edit a node. So here we press the space bar. You can see we can edit the node. Let's say, right, for instance, computer project. So we got computer project, or computer, project. Okay. And also you can hit tab to add a node. So if we hit tab, there we go, we add a node. Can also, so if I pressed it, it deletes it. Again, we press tab, it adds a node, right, like project 1, press it again, tab adds another sub node, so, right, like for instance A, and so on. And you can also press STRL, Control Z, which will undo anything. So Control Z undoes what we have done. And so that's that. So now let's just play around and create more nodes so we can work with them. Right here, project 1, project 2, okay, and let's see right here, press that again, tab, project 3, and we can do some sub nodes out of the same nodes, which here, it's right here, like A, again, tab B, and so on. You can see how this keeps going. You can keep adding nodes. So you can see how the mind map is starting to develop. We can move it around like this. We can add some subs here too. A, add B, and so on. Okay, so you can see as I type and add nodes, the layout automatically changes, which is something done automatically. So it's like all what I've been doing is like it's an audio layout adjustment that's done by mindmup. So it's done automatically by mindmup, which is good because it keeps things organized. So if you move anything, it just readjusts it very beautifully, very beautifully. So no overlaps, no uneven nodes. So that's nice. Now, if we want to format the nodes, you can easily format the colors of the nodes. You can press, for instance, let's press this node and go right here and press there to color it. So we color it red, and there we go. And another feature which I find very useful, if you want to color all the nodes at once, is to press this, select all children, okay, which you can see here, it selects all of them together. And then you press the coloring tool to color them a certain color or any color that you prefer. So let's color them yellow. So it colors the nodes. All the nodes have been colored all at once. It's very quick, very easy, very useful, saves time. Okay, so now we can, let's take a look at the exporting options that we have. Let's press extensions. Let's press file, and then export to local disk. So here we've got the exporting options that it has. We've got a lot of exporting features. mindmup, remind, exported as an image, as a PDF, and so on. You've got a lot of options there. So when we're done with that, we also need to save our map. Click save right here. Saved. You saved the map to the public mindmup, as we previously have picked, storage for 6 months. If this was a mistake, click here to delete it. So you can also delete it if you want to go back on that and you don't want to save it. It gives you about 10 minutes. So that's that. Let's go now. When we're done with that, let's take a look at the sharing options that we have. So let's go to File, Share Map. Okay, so here. And also you can, there's, actually I just noticed this. There's this share button alone, so you can press the share and publish to share or embed. Let's look at the sharing options. So here, mindmup Atlas is a cloud mind map library that enables authors to publish interactive read-only maps optimized for posting to social networks and embedding in websites. So this allows you to post it in social networks or embed it in websites and so on. So you can post it anywhere. And you can do that by clicking start. It gives you publish mindmup Atlas. So we picked to publish it on mindmup. And here it says the title of the project, URL, this is it, description, and then you press publish. So that is that. Okay, so let's close this window. Go back here. Let's take a look again at the tools, Okay, let's take a look at the tools. First, let's press the little attachment tool right here, and this window will appear. So in this window, this shows you some, this is when you want to attach additional information, okay? So you can add some notes, add some notes of files right here. If you got a file or something you want to add, hyperlinks, remove a hyperlink, and so on, many other things. So these are, that's that. Now we can close this. So let's take a look at the extensions. Okay, right here, right up here, press extensions. You've got a lot of choices right here. The first one is you can save the extension to Dropbox, store your maps on Dropbox, or GitHub, store your maps on GitHub. And then straight lines. This extension converts funky curve connectors into straight lines, which makes it clearer to see what connects to what on a large map. So let's see straight line and see what this does. Okay, and see what it does. So we pressed straight lines, and you can see how the lines, instead of being curvy, have automatically become straight. Okay. So that is one. So let's go back to extensions, and let's press real-time collaboration. Okay, real-time collaboration on a map when you have, where you can have multiple people working on the same mind mup. So let's see how that works. Extension, yeah. So what happens here is you've got collaboration. You press collaboration and then the start button. Start a collaborative session. Give your session a short descriptive name. So here it allows you to give a collaborative map name so the collaborators understand what they are joining. So we can write computer project. Okay, and then press start. And then a window will appear after we write. Okay, so that is that. Of course, as you saw here before, it was saving to Google Drive because I've previously used the program, used the website, and so it requires you to have a Google account. So you might need a Google account. So you might need to make one if you don't have one, because it requires yes, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so the last thing I want to do before we finish is take another look at the tools. Just one more look. Okay, so these are the tools. We've got first the expand and collapse knot. So if you press on this one, it expands the knot. See right here, or this one. See, expands it, so they disappear. I guess they become one. And then if you want them to expand, again, to come back. So it's collapse and expand. Then we've got, if you want to end it, the knot, it's right here, for instance. Also here, if you want to delete a knot, so it deleted it. If we want to go back, see, let's create a knot. Okay, so if we want to paste, so press that, copy, and then paste. Got that right here, and cut. So all these features, I just want to show you this one, which is icon image. Press it, you can add an image, select file. So it's right here, save it, and there you go. You got an image right here added on. So a lot of tools and a lot of features. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, recenter. A lot of things you can play around with this mind map. So that's just the end of the tutorial, and hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you.